In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and bind a collection list to your CMS collection, beautifully style it to ensure your content is organized and visually appealing. Let's dive right in and get started with the first step. Place a collection list element onto your canvas. This action is crucial as it lays the foundation for connecting your design elements with your CMS collection, bringing dynamic content to life. Once you've added this element, head over to your settings panel. Here, you will connect it directly to your CMS collection. This pivotal connection ensures that the content you want to display populates automatically, saving you time and effort in your design process. After successfully connecting your collection list, the next focus is on styling it to fit the aesthetic and functionality of your project. Select the collection list element, then navigate to the Styles panel. Here you'll set the display property, which is key to dictating how your content will be arranged. You have two powerful options to choose from: Grid or Flexbox. Let's explore these. If you opt for Grid, you'll enjoy more structured content arrangement with defined rows and columns. In the Styles panel, you'll find properties like Grid Template Columns, which allow you to specify the number and size of the columns in your grid. This level of control ensures that your layout is both efficient and visually cohesive. You can also utilize the Gap property, providing consistent spacing between items, which enhances the readability and overall flow of content. Alternatively, Flexbox offers a different approach with its flexible layout capabilities. Set the display as Flex on your collection list. You may then notice a handy feature called Wrap Children. By checking this box, your items gain the ability to gracefully move to the next line as needed, adjusting seamlessly to the size constraints of their container. This adaptability is fantastic for maintaining a responsive and polished appearance. Further, with the alignment and spacing options within Flexbox, you have additional control over how your items are positioned, allowing for a tailored and organized presentation. As you fine-tune your collection list's layout, the next step is applying style changes to the collection items themselves. Here's a nifty tip. Any single design adjustment you make to one collection item will be mirrored across all items in the list. This means if you update colors, fonts, or any other style properties, each item will consistently reflect these changes. This consistency not only streamlines your design process, but also bolsters a cohesive look across your site. By following these detailed steps and incorporating the described styling techniques, you're well on your way to mastering the addition and binding of collection lists in your CMS. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these tips help you create stunning and functional content displays. Until next time, keep designing.